Okay. Hi guys, how you doing? Much facial hair from the last time you probably saw my face. That's Mr. Gavin Clive Davies there.
Hello.
He's packing a carburettor for a dude that's racing it.
Is it?
Yeah, we rebuilt it for him and that's what's going off. And he's got his massive ice cube in his glass.
I like more ice than water.
Yeah.
Because then it lasts longer.
Yeah. And we've had a lot of hot weather here in the UK. It's been really, really hot. Right, we have been, what do you call it, prompted by a gentleman called Tim Moore just now in the comments saying, come on guys, it's been 3 weeks, we haven't heard from you, so here we are.
We've been so busy. We've been really busy.
Yeah.
We apologise for not being in touch, but we've got something cool to show you today, so we thought we'd let you know. Yeah,
thanks to Tim Moore for asking. So guys, today we're going to take this little Ford Pop to the rolling road for a power run, and also we want to have a look at the air and fuel ratio. It's insured and it's taxed now. We got the logbook finally came through, so I've been driving this the last few days on the roads, and it is getting better and better by the day. So we're taking this to the rolling road today, guys. It's Friday, I think it's like the 23rd of July or 24th of July, and we're going to do a live stream from the rolling road to see what the engine that we built, Gav, me and Tony, to see how well it does. Kate has had a little bit of work done on toe board, I think. Yep, toe board, and also I had to go off original the way this sandwich area works here. So I've done some Malteser spot welds and then just really packed it in as heavy as I could. It's not going to be, this isn't correct, but it's going to hold the thing together. And yeah, as I said, so putting the toe board in, I was chuffed with my welding on this. I seem to do a lot better in the evenings after work when I'm relaxed and I'm on my own. Tony's lent us a nice welder. So yeah, Kate's doing well. We're doing quite a lot of carburettor work. We've got an old Merc carb here for a Mercruiser boat. This is an American carburettor and had a lot of sediment at the bottom. I think it ingested dirt. The fuel filter was missing, so the chap was complaining that it was leaking fuel. And it might be because the needle valve got stuck with the sediment. Our zinc plating kit is firing on all cylinders. If I had any zinc plating, I'd show you now. So we've been doing a lot of that. Our little 1.6 that was seized 2 years ago, which we unseized, is now on the test stand. And we're using it to test carburetors before and after rebushing to make sure they're not leaking air, to see how well they work. And I want to put an adapter on this intake manifold. Wacky Racers suggested how to do it, to put SUs on it as well, so we can test SUs as well. We bought a hydraulic press, which is a bit basic, but it would come handy in the workshop. We also bought a parts cleaner just to help with really dirty mechanical parts before they go in the ultrasonic cleaner or before they bead blast. That needs setting up. That little crossflow is for sale, 1.1 litre we think it is. It's a 711 block, about 300 quid. What else? That's pretty much it, guys. So we'll see you live today at 2 o'clock UK time, or around that time, to do a power run at Chris RRS Rolling Road. So any of you that happen to be free at this time, it's only about 3 hours time, guys, so we look forward to seeing you. Alright, dude?
Yeah, the printer don't work.
Oh, the printer doesn't work?
No, I'm going to get it to print.
Anyway, see you at 2 o'clock, guys. Hope you have a nice day. That was our little update. If you want to watch us at 2, watch us at 2. See you later, guys. Thank you. Bye.